Salam, hello trainer, what are you up to?
Just out here enjoying the dunya, and I got some Pokemon packs right here. You wanna pick one for me to open?
Yes, the right one.
The right one? All right, let's do this. So we got the pack right here. Let's see if this is the one. Bismillah, let's do this. Let's see what we got. All right, code card. Here we go. Zemzem Water Energy, Cyclizar, Medicham, Root Fossil, Froakie, my guy, Tornadus, Frogadier, my guy, Pongoro, Meditite, Molgrim, and the last card, a Dreadnought Hollow. His type is Zemzem Water. We didn't pull anything good, but it's all good. We're out here to appreciate the dunya.